Hello, I'm Johnny Lee, the International Sales Director of North Glass Company. Now we are attending Vitrum exhibition in Milan, one of the most important exhibitions in the glass industry. For this Vitrum, North Glass come together with three teams: glass tempering division, automation division, and also the coating divisions. Right now, we all know the glass industry are facing some challenge. For example, the energy consumption, the labor cost, and also always the glass quality. That's why North Glass, our complete team of totally 2,600 employees, we are always working hardly to be well prepared to serve our existing and potential customers, to reach their certification, to help them to solve the challenge they are facing. So now we are here. When you need something about the glass tempering furnace or the glass processing equipment, please contact North Glass. Thank you.